So we're just gonna do some tests. I don't know if this is gonna be scientific. I'll probably think afterwards that how I should have done it differently. But we got 16 ounces of water. We ran the faucet, so we're getting the water from under the ground, and so because we're gonna have to refill these again. We're gonna start with the jetboil. I need a timer. You don't have a kitchen timer, do you? Boiling. I'm going to 212 anyway. Maybe not. Maybe it's an altitude thing. So it boiled at 206, I guess, on the thermometer. I guess I thought it was 212.
It is.
But it might be an altitude thing. But so that was
it could be
a minute and 55. We'll have to, maybe we can go back and look and see when it actually started bubbling.
It could be.
All right, we got the Snow Peak burner. We're going to use that burner for all 4 pots. This is, I believe it's like iodized aluminum or something like that. I don't know. Olicamp XTS. We just got this pot this weekend, so we're going to try it out. This is 16 ounces of water. All right. As soon as I start it, I'll turn on the timer. There's bubbles in the water. It's interesting, they're around a ring, but they're not in the middle. Okay. Okay, that was 2:23, 3 minutes 23 seconds. And I would say it's when it came to a full boil where I would turn it off because it's boiling. Snow Peak titanium pot, thin wall titanium pot. 16 ounces again.
Get your timer ready.
Wow, where'd that come from? We have some bubbles. It's interesting. It starts with these little bubbles around the bottom, and then a few of them pop up, and then it gets a little cloudy, and then it starts rolling. All right. Okay, we got 308 for the Snow Peak pot and the Snow Peak stove. All right, plain Jane aluminum cup. 16 ounces of water. Same temperature. Snow Peak stove. So we have a few bubbles at the bottom. The ones with the heat sink had a ring where the heat sink was, but this one's just got it all over the bottom. This is definitely our cheapest pot. I think this cost me either $1 or $2. Almost there. Okay. When it starts bubbling to the point you can't even see the bottom, that's what I consider boiling.
307.
307.
And the other one was 308, right?
I don't recall. We'll have to make a chart. All right, we ready? All right, we got the MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe. Let's see, the water for 16 ounces. And we got the Snow Peak titanium pot. Sounds like a jet balloon. Got bubbles. Help me. I want to be biased. All right. Wow. That's exciting.
138.
Okay, now we have the Olicamp XTS pot with the heat sink and the MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe. I'm considering this the dream team, and I'm hopeful that this will beat the jetboil, but we'll see. So we have 16 ounces of water. And each time I turn on the gas, I turn it all the way till it touches, and then I back off a little bit, maybe a quarter turn, and I've done that on each one of these. Got steam. Holy smoke, look at it, look at it. Look at that. 104. Woohoo! Oh yeah! That's awesome, man. I mean, I was thinking it was a chance, but I had no idea it was going to work out so well.
Only Chad.
That's 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Only Chad gets excited about boiling water.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, I mean, this guy right here, I mean, it's a whole lot of money to get into that, you know. Isn't that like 120 bucks or something? And anyway, this pot was like 30 bucks. Now I know the stove was a little more, but I think I ended up getting the stove. It was like 60 bucks, but I got 20% off. So we're looking at maybe 75 bucks total. All right, so this time we got denatured alcohol. This is cat food with fiberglass insulation around it. And I poured it in about a minute ago and let it soak in a little bit. So let's light this up. Oh, that got me. All right. We gotta let it burn a little bit. All right, 16 ounces of water. We got the titanium pot, Snow Peak titanium pot.
Reset. Action.
Okay. Hopefully you got your snack. We're at 5 minutes and 20 seconds. And we have bubbles, but it's not cloudy yet. The funny part is, this is what I've used on the trail. I let my son use my stove. I use alcohol, and I have for a long time. And apparently it's not the thing to do. Alright, we got bubbles rising. We're at 6 minutes, 8 seconds. Wow. This is the time when I look over and my buddies are already eating their mountain houses. Alright. I think that's it. 6.5 minutes. This one I can't turn it off. Another disadvantage.